So let's have a look at the mystery sales pop-up. To do so, make sure you're in Forms, then go to the Promotions area and click Create Promotion. Give your promotion a name and click Save and Continue. Here are the different promotion templates, and we're just going to select the first one, Mystery Sale Pop-up. And here we go. On the right side, you have the Edit panel, and in the middle, this is what your subscribers will see, or your website viewers in this case. So let's just look at the different shapes of the pop-up we have here and the different places. So you can have the pop-up just pop up in the middle of the page or on the right side. Here in the additional settings, you can also change it to the left side if you wish so. Or you can create a bar on the bottom or on the top in the additional settings. But let's go back to the regular pop-up in the middle and let's look at the design settings here. Of course, you can change the background color if you wish. Make it a little different, and you can round the corners if you want, make the background an image, and click Save. Then we have the Close button. You can change the colors here, make it more light if you like, change the hover color if you like, and if you click Save, you'll see that if I hover here, the color changes to the one I set. And you can change the title, the text, the summary, and the button colors over here. And now let's look at each piece. This is the title right over here, and you can change the text here. Then we have the image. You can change it to your own image if you'd like. Delete it here if you don't want any images. Then you can change the text here, right over here. And if you click the button, you will be able to edit it, but in this case you can't edit it because this button is not working. This is just the drag and drop editor. So to edit the button, in this case, you have to click this little edit window here. And here are all the settings for that. You can either redirect people to your promotions. This mystery sale pop-up is especially good for flash sales, a one-time deal kind of thing you can use for your website. And you can also just close it if you just want it to be more of an informational pop-up. Then you can just close this pop-up, and once someone clicks this button, nothing will happen. The pop-up will just close instead of redirecting. But in most cases, you will probably want to redirect people to a promotion, and you can count this as a conversion. This will show up in your stats. Or if you don't want to do that, just uncheck this, and you can go ahead with saving the pop-up and clicking next once you're done, of course. And here you can choose different modes for your pop-up. So it can show up 5 seconds after someone has visited your website, or you can change it to more seconds if you want. Instead of that, you can also make it pop up once someone scrolls down, for example, 50% in this case, or before someone is closing the pop-up. So the pop-up will show up once the person is switching to another tab in his or her browser. And this is not going to be annoying, so they will be actually able to close the browser. They're not going to have to confirm anything. So this is that setting. Then the frequency. So let's say someone visits your website this month. They'll see the pop-up. They'll close it. They're not going to see it for a whole month. And then in 1 month, they'll see the pop-up again. Here it's scheduled. So in this case, there's no schedule. It will work once activated. In the case of a specific time, it will only show up at the specific chosen time here, right? You even have a to date. So if you're doing a 1-day promotion, this is very nice because you can just set it and forget it. And the visibility, you can show it on every page, on a specific page of your website, or you can put it on, you can exclude it on specific pages. In this case, hide it, right? Then you can hide it on desktops, mobile devices, or tablets if you want. You can just play around with these settings. And once you're done, of course, just click Save and Continue. Here is the JavaScript snippet you will be using on your website for this pop-up to work. You only have to use this once. If you have WordPress, we have a plugin for that, so please see that video, and that will help you out with easily installing this snippet. And if you're using Shopify, it's very similar. Just install the MailerLite Shopify app. You can see another video for that too. Okay, but let's click Next. Here's a quick preview of all the settings you set. Here you can turn the pop-up on or pause it, and here are the stats. they will of course start filling up once people start subscribing to your pop-up. And that's it for this surprise sale pop-up. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.